Namaskar and hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I've covered the derivative data of April 27, that is the end of the first settlement of this financial year. And this month, this April settlement belonged to the bulls all and all throughout. Nifty rallied from 17,000 to 17,900, a 900-point move by the Nifty. It was a bull way all throughout. Now let us see what lies ahead for the May settlement and the first expiry of the May month for us. Starting with the index futures, वहां देखते हैं कि क्या कैसा ओपनिंग किया है और क्या आगे का हाल बनाया है सबने। तो आज सिर्फ अनवाइंडिंग ही था, कुछ फ्रेश नहीं है। यहाँ में भी अनवाइंडिंग है, इधर भी अनवाइंडिंग है, सब के सब ने आज अनवाइंडिंग किया है। कोई फ्रेश नहीं था, नेट सब लास्ट मोमेंट में अपना माल स्क्वायर ऑफ कर रहे थे, लॉन्ग हो या शॉर्ट हो। एफआईआईज ने अभी इस समय जो न्यू सेटलमेंट विच इज स्टार्टिंग, देयर called the long to short in the index among FIIs is now at 1.43. So quite low compared to what we had seen all this time. But this is something quite normal to be a bullish stand, because a lot of this shorting could be in the form of the long future hedges or cash hedges by the FIIs. तो hedge की तरह भी हो सकता है वो अमाउंट, बिकॉज बहुत स्मॉल क्वांटिटी अब रह गया है उनका। तो ओवरऑल एफआईआई अभी भी बुलिश है यहाँ पर मार्केट पे। डोमेस्टिक इंस्टीट्यूशन नेट लॉन्ग काफी कम हो गया है। अगर आपको याद हो, 17,000 में ये कुछ 65,000 था, 65,000 लॉन्ग दे वर at 17,000 index. Now they've bought it down considerably, which makes sense because their stock holdings have seen a higher increase in value, so they did not hedge at like that. They will come into the hedging play once FII selling pressure comes in, or domestic institutes, some other selling pressure comes, then they would do it, which is a smart move by the domestic institutions. Now, prop desk only 88 net. So there is an equal divide on prop desk out here. Some are bullish, some are bearish. Again, we cannot take this as only bearish. There could be a lot of hedge trades happening out here. जो उनके जो cash longs है या stock future long है, उनको उन्होंने इंडेक्स फ्यूचर के अगेंस्ट में शॉर्ट कर रखा हो सकता है, बिकॉज ऑलमोस्ट 1:1 ये चल रहा है। क्लायंट्स का नेट बेरिश कंटिन्यू हो रहा है, पहले कल से कम है बट अभी भी है। सो हियर आल्सो देयर विल बी सम क्लाइंट्स who must be hedging. There are a lot of retail clients who are also into hedging, who don't do naked future shorting. So for a stock future long, or for some stocks which they hold in cash, ये hedge हो सकता है to an extent also. इसको हम सिर्फ naked shorts नहीं बोल सकते इधर में, और लॉन्ग फ्री है। बट एक जो इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्टर है वो ये है कि इस समय सब के सब मोर और लेस अपना एक्सपोजर, नेट एक्सपोजर हर कैटेगरी का लो है काफी, किसी का बहुत हाई नहीं है इस समय। न्यू एक्सपायरी, न्यू सेटलमेंट स्टार्ट पर सब इस लेवल पर थोड़ा क्लैरिटी खोज रहे हैं मार्केट में, टू वेदर द मार्केट विल कंटिन्यू टू रन अप और there might be a pullback or reversal happening. So there's a lot of low net exposure from everyone out here. Index options में FIIs 239, almost same to 247. The ratio now has come down to 1.03, which is an extremely bullish ratio. Because if you remember, when the market was extremely bottom, it was 1:3. Now it has come down to 1:1, which is that which could when it went to 3, it was an extreme ultra bearish top zone of extreme bearishness. This could be also something approaching towards the ultra bullish or the top end of a bullish thing from the FII desk. It's 1:1. Rarely do we see more calls than puts, because the put mechanism is used from a hedge purpose by the FII desk. So at 1:1, this could be a peak happening out here from their side of extreme bullishness on their part in this. It could remain 1:1 for a much longer period. Doesn't mean it will turn from here itself, but more than this is a rarity to see from the FIIs. Domestic institution थोड़ा सा उनका जो खत्म हुआ सेटलमेंट में पुट एक्सपायर हुआ, नए पुट्स उन्होंने ऐड नहीं किए, तो ये भी एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्टर है कि दे आर नॉट buying more puts right now. They're happy with content with their position out here in the market, which is also a bullish sign from their side. The prop desk is starting the new expiry on almost a range bound zone. Not too much difference. ये 75,000 है, ये 1 लाख है, बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है दोनों साइड में. वो डायरेक्शन खोजते हैं, which is very typical of prop desk on Thursday close and on Friday. They wait for a more clarity and from Monday onwards वो अपना डायरेक्शन क्लियर करते हैं. टिल थर्सडे फ्राइडे वो थोड़ा सा न्यूट्रल लेने का कोशिश करते हैं, डायरेक्शन फाइंडिंग करते हैं मार्केट में. क्लाइंट्स ऑल्सो इस बार न्यूट्रल गए पूरा, दोनों साइड न्यूट्रल. सो क्लाइंट्स का हम यहाँ स्टॉक्स में भी देख सकते हैं, इंडेक्स फ्यूचर में दे आर न्यूट्रल, ऑलमोस्ट डिवाइडेड हाउस है, और यहाँ में भी वही चल रहा है, डिवाइडेड हाउस एकदम न्यूट्रल है. एक फैक्टर जो है मंडे हॉलीडे है मई डे का, सो ट्रंकेटेड वीक है इस बार, तो इस बार शायद वो टाइप की वॉल्यूम भी नहीं मिलेगी. और ऊपर से आईवीज आर ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी लो, horribly low premiums, so there could be lower participation even tomorrow from the prop desk, at least it looks like that. Stock future again today was a day जब सिर्फ long unwinding short covering, long unwinding short covering, long unwinding short covering, long unwinding short covering. कोई fresh नेट नहीं है आज किसी के तरफ से भी, सबने आज लास्ट मोमेंट में अपना स्क्वायर ऑफ किया है. बट ओवरऑल स्टॉक फ्यूचर में एफआईआईज का अच्छा क्वांटिटी लॉन्ग है, और प्रॉप डेस्क का भी अच्छा क्वांटिटी लॉन्ग हो गया है इधर. दिस इज अ डिसेंट क्वांटिटी ऑफ लॉन्ग्स दे होल्ड आउट हियर, एंड इवन द FIIs नॉट अ बैड सीन, इट्स क्वाइट डिसेंट आउट हियर फ्रॉम देम. क्लाइंट्स का ओवरऑल काफी कम आ गया है, 13 lakhs start of the settlement to 10 lakhs. So 3 lakh worth of stock futures clients have exited. Now, some could be in profit, some could be near cost, or some could be in a loss. We don't know that. But a bulk of it in this 1,000-point rally. Remember, clients were bullish right throughout the fall. So they are trying to exit now in the rally. So we don't know exactly what is the percentage of gain loss, but definitely clients are not too bullish in the market the way unwinding has been taking place from their end. In options, which is very typical of the FII desk, which is hedging their longs with call shorts, buying puts. Now puts also out here, not too much of buying, very net quantity is very low, and you can see almost put long, put short is the same, which could be a spread strategy from them out there. Domestic institution champions have eaten away all the calls and starting the new settlement with a small quantity. But here, interesting to note, April they started with only 500 quantity. 500 April. Here they are starting with 10,000. So this is a slightly cautious note from the FII, from the domestic institution, sorry, where they feel that call shorting in April, even at these low IVs, is worth it for them. Could be a particular sector in which they feel that the premium is quite high, worth it to short out here at this level. Prop desk, starting as usual, like the FIIs, क्वांटिटी खाली इनका बहुत ज्यादा होता है कंपेयर टू FII, बट स्टाइल एकदम रेप्लिका होता है. इनफैक्ट इनका थोड़ा फिर भी ज्यादा प्रोटेक्शन है. FII का हम देख सकते हैं कि उतना ज्यादा उन्होंने पुट का नहीं किया है जितना FII प्रॉप डेस्क ने किया है. इधर में काफी डिसेंट क्वांटिटी है, एंड एज यूजुअल क्लाइंट्स आर बुलिश ऑन कॉल्स and bearish on puts. Now here, there will be, it's not that all clients are bearish ultra bullish in market, there are a lot of clients out here who have done put spreads. So it's not exactly like that, but when we say clients are bullish in the option segment, we mean by the net figure in front of us. So you have to keep that factor in mind. In the FII desk today, in their futures, we can see there is more uh, squaring off of bank Nifty and in net buying of Nifty. So this could also be some shorts of Nifty which have been squared off. That's why it's come as a bought figure out here. But what is interesting is that in Bank Nifty, this could be some long unwinding which has taken place today from the FII desk. For tomorrow, April 28th, Friday, सपोर्ट जो है कल के लिए निफ्टी में 17,785 पर है 17,785 एंड बिलो दैट 17,650 और रेजिस्टेंस जो है वो 18,050 पर है और उसके ऊपर 18,175 फॉर बैंक निफ्टी सपोर्ट कम्स इन एट 42,800 and below that 42,500. Resistance is at 43,200 and above that 43,600. With that, I end this video. I hope it's of help to you. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.